Sunfire Super 8 update. That's it. Wired down to 1 ohm. FS is right around 31, 32 hertz. So if you can see that. Oop, there we go. Just plain black, flat. That's actually 2 caps, paper caps, laminated with the Devil's Jizz epoxy, which we do 60 cc's, which is good for like 5 to 10 applications. It's actually quite a lot for only $30 shipped, and we include at least 4 syringes that you can clean out with acetone and reuse. But and that's what I use on these magnet stacks with the Neo and the top plate. So, and then of course here, and then the triple joint. So a lot of Devil Jizz on this. So, and just so you know, secret, because I think about this shit when I'm building speakers. I think about shit fucking 20 years in the future. So Devil's Jizz is actually a bar drink as well. But I won't reveal that until you watch my movie, How to Make a Movie, themovie.com, and you'll see it in there. But I love you guys. This is the finale. I'm actually going to build another one that is straight Neo out of those S-Max builds, but Mike is, I think it's been 2 months, 3 months now since he's paid me for this thing, and I'm like, I'm still not satisfied with it. It got kind of stinky. It's not as efficient as I like. I also changed to the 2 3/8 coil, which is what I'll be doing the standard on the, what I'm going to call beefy 8s. I'm going to go to the machine shop today and get a top plate made for like, I think 4 or 5 different bolt patterns. So that way you guys can use this frame. This is also known as lower to base frame, but it's also used by T.C.O.Z, or not T.C.O.Z, CT Sounds, as well as probably, you know, all the other Me Too companies, Wolfram, all those guys. And also the, what is it, the Sunfire, which is the, I'll just fucking show you. The 689 frame. Do I have a second one? I do not. No. So that's the old Sundown one. The 12 spoke frame, of course. For some reason, the ones that we have a different, slightly different 4-hole bolt pattern than the 4-spoke. And then there's also called the 4-spoke or 689 frame B, which has longer legs. That's what they use on the Sunfire 8-inch woofer, which I will show you here. This one. See, a little bit longer, a little taller for more excursion. And then also the Sundown frame, which is not here where it's supposed to be. I think I was using it for a prop in another video for you guys. There it is. So, that one. So that way you guys can make your own beefy 8s, because I do not want to make fucking beefy 8s. I'm really hyped up right now. I just pitched my Starling Studios idea to the videographer, so I'm hoping that he wants to be my partner on like our joyride where we have killer budgets and we get to do killer stuff. So, but anyways, I love you guys. I'll talk to you later.